Hey everyone, welcome to tutorial number 11 of this series, and in this tutorial we're going to learn how to handle different windows. So for example, let's say I'm on Al Jazeera website and then I pressed on this YouTube button, right? And I want to check or do something else on this page. If I don't change the window, if I don't write on my command that I want to change the window, it will still assume I want to run my script on this window. So for example, if I go here and I want to check the URL, I can't just write it. Normally, I have to change my window and say, hey, go to this window, or write a command to change to this window, and then I can go back to that one later on. So I'll show you guys what I did here. So I started with going to Al Jazeera, and then I put a delay, and then I clicked on the YouTube box. So all I have to do is right click on this, and then I created my own XPath using the A class and then icon. And then this here is where it actually stores my current window. So I write string, and then I can write whatever I want. Main window equal driver dot get window handle. And what this does, it just stores the current window, because if I want to return back to it, I can go at the end and say, hey, driver dot switch to that window, and then I write the name that I gave it. And after I did that, I wrote another command or another script that tells it to go to the second window. So for, and then in between parentheses, I write string second window, and then colon driver dot get window handles, and then I close the parentheses, and then I put a parentheses in here too. And then I write driver dot switch to that second window, and then I can put whatever script I want to write. So I want to show you guys, if I run it right now, what is going to happen. So I press on the YouTube button, I switch to the second window, and then I check if that's the URL in here. And after it's done, it closes that tab, and then it goes back to the main window. So I'll show you guys what happens in this case, and I'll remove the script that I wrote, and I'll show you guys what also will happen without that script, with and without. So I went to that script, went to that page, closed it, and then it's done. And if you guys see here, it says launching Al Jazeera right there, which I told it to write it in here. So if I remove those, if I comment it, I'll comment this, and then I'll comment that as well. And let's see what's gonna happen. What will happen? That driver close will close the first tab, and the YouTube page will actually stay open. And if you guys don't believe me, let's see it. And it closed the Al Jazeera website and left the YouTube one open. And that's all I have for you guys today. And just like a last note, if you guys, after you write this, if you write anything else after that, let's say if I uncommented everything, oops, and then after I wrote this, I can freely write in a script that is gonna affect the Al Jazeera website instead of the YouTube. But if I don't put this, all my script that I write from there will be affecting the YouTube tab that I had open. Please let me know if you guys have any questions. I know it's a little bit confusing, but I hope you guys understood it. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.